Chapter 12. Friction. The force acting along the two surfaces in contact, which opposes the motion of one body over the other, is called the force of friction. Causes of friction. Every solid object has a rough surface. The degree of roughness varies from surface to surface. Some are more rough, while some are smooth. The roughness of the surface can be seen through a microscope in the form of tiny hills and valleys. When a body, say a wooden block, is pulled over another, say a wooden table, these tiny hills and valleys present on both the surfaces in contact get entangled with one another. The interlocking of the two surfaces opposes the motion of one body over another and gives rise to frictional force. Types of frictions. The force of friction is of three types: static friction, limiting friction, kinetic friction. Static friction, the opposing force that comes into play when one body tends to move over the surface of another, but the actual motion has not started, is called static friction. It prevents the motion and does not allow two bodies to slide upon one another. Limiting friction. If you move a heavy box from one place to another, the force required to overcome friction at the instant the box starts moving from rest is a measure of limiting friction. Kinetic friction. When we increase the applied force slightly beyond the limiting friction, we see that the box begins to slide slowly. This does not mean that friction has disappeared. As soon as sliding begins, it is found that the frictional force decreases. The new frictional force is called kinetic friction. Types of kinetic friction. Kinetic friction is of the following two types: sliding friction, rolling friction. Sliding friction. The opposing force that comes into play when one body is actually sliding over the surface of another body is called sliding friction. Rolling friction. The opposing force that comes into play when one body is actually rolling over the surface of another body is called rolling friction. Activity 1. To show that rolling friction is less than the sliding friction in magnitude. Things needed: a wooden block, a spring balance, a wooden table, 3 to 4 pencils. Method. Repeat activity 1 by placing 3 to 4 pencils parallel to each other under the wooden block, acting as rollers. Observation. We notice that the force required to slide the wooden block is less than the limiting friction. Conclusion. Rolling friction is less than the sliding friction. Fluid friction. Friction due to liquids and gases. The liquids and gases, however, exert lesser friction as compared to solid surfaces. When a person swims in water, the water opposes his motion. This is because water exerts a force of friction on the swimmer in a direction opposite to his motion. The special shape of a body or an object around which a fluid, liquid or air can flow, offering minimum amount of friction, is called streamlined shape. The bodies of ships and boats are made streamlined so that they experience minimum amount of friction while moving through water. Friction due to air. But the friction of air is so small that we are not able to experience its effect easily. A meteor or shooting star and meteorites. Meteors are the stone-like heavenly objects which enter into the Earth's atmosphere from the outer space with a very, very high speed. An aeroplane with a streamlined body. A bullet train with a streamlined body. hovercraft. Racing car. Friction is a necessity. Advantages of friction. Friction plays a very important role in our daily life. Helps us to walk. The friction between our feet and the ground helps us to walk on the ground without slipping or falling. Movement of vehicles. The friction between the tires of various vehicles like cars, trucks, tractors, bicycle, scooters, etc. and the ground helps to move on the ground without slipping. Spiked shoes for better grip. Spikes are provided in the shoes of players and athletes to increase friction, have better grip on the ground and prevent slipping. Writing work. We are able to write because there is friction between the tip of pen or pencil and paper. Writing with a pen or pencil would have been impossible without friction. Application of brakes. The brakes of car or any moving vehicle depend upon friction. When we apply brakes, the car stops due to the force of friction between the brake lining and the drum of the wheel. Lighting of a matchstick. When we strike a matchstick against the rough surface, it catches fire. Ways of reducing friction. By lubricating. By using a lubricant, for example, oil or grease, friction can be reduced. When a lubricant is applied between the moving parts of a machine, a thin layer is formed there, and moving surfaces do not directly rub each other. The substances which reduce friction are called lubricants. By polishing. When the surfaces are highly polished, the irregularities in the form of hills and valleys of the surfaces are covered, making them smoother. By using ball bearings. Ball bearing is a hollow circular device containing small metal balls which are fitted around the moving part of a machine. By using rollers and wheels. We have just learnt that many heavy objects like big suitcases are provided with small wheels called rollers to reduce friction so that they may be carried easily by pulling. By streamlining. We have also learnt that the bodies of cars, aeroplanes, etc. are streamlined to reduce air friction, and the bodies of boats and ships are streamlined to reduce the friction of water.